Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode in the Bag in the Munro series. Today we are walking Bynack More. For this Munro, I definitely recommend taking a bike on this one because it'll save at least 2 or 3 hours of your time. But I couldn't take my bike on this one, so it did end up being a little bit longer. I have got a lot of Munros planned soon as well, so there'll be plenty of content coming out. Now let's get into the video. So the start location for this one is the Altmore car park next to Glenmore, which is beside Abbymore. And I was really lucky again because we did get really nice weather for the walk. The first third of the walk is a path like this most of the way with trees either side, and it is really nice on the eye. That's us just past the green loch. I didn't get any footage of it, but it is a lovely place just to chill or get some photos.
It's alright.
As you can see already, there was a lot of bikes that were going past us with numbers on them, and I did catch on one of the bags that it did say triathlon on it, so I'm not sure if it was like a bike race or if it was a triathlon and it was just on someone's bag, but there was an event going on because a lot of them are passing us with numbers on them. So if anyone knows what event that was, just let me know in the comments below. The mountain you can see in front of us just now is Craig Nagal. We have now done more than half of the walk in, and we are getting our first glimpse of Bynack More. I was thinking if you plan on doing a few around this area, this would be a really nice spot to wild camp. Just beside the river, and there's quite a big flat bit, so it would be really nice. Just out of curiosity as well, just let me know in the comments if you prefer footage of me walking like across the screen and away from the camera, etc., or if you prefer the camera being behind me and both walking at the same time. I'll always put both in, but I was just wondering what most people prefer. Up until this point just now, it's been a very gradual incline, and it's probably the most gradual incline Munro that I have done so far. Up until this point, you can see now it gets much steeper, but it is still fine. But like I said, up till now it had been a very gradual incline. because before it was a path with not very many steps, and as you can see now it is quite a lot of steps. Just for reference, this whole flat bit that you can see now is 600 meters tall. So this Munro is by far the Munro that I've done with the most false tops. Luckily I did have my altimeter out on my compass and it did say we still had 150 meters to go, even though every time it looked like it couldn't get any higher, there was still a bit more, so definitely watch out for that and don't get disheartened, you are almost there. As you can see, we are now approaching the top of the Munro, and if you've enjoyed the video so far or found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Thanks. On the other side of the valley, in the distance there, the highest peak is Cairngorm. But after almost bang on 3 hours, we finally reached the top of the Munro, and the views did not disappoint.
Oh, yeah. Don't wanna bring you down when I'm crashing. Don't come too close. Hold up, I'm starting a fire.
I am now going to start being consistent at the time I upload, and I will be uploading every Sunday at 5 PM every week until it hits the winter season, and then I might do one video every 2 weeks, but we'll see how it goes. In the next videos I've got planned, I've got 2 trips to Glencoe, 2 at Braemar and 1 at the Spittal of Glenshee, so I will have a lot of footage in the pipeline. I have now bagged a total of 39 Munros, not including my Ben Nevis one that I did in the 3 Peaks challenge, because I'm going to do a separate video on that, and I have done Cairngorm in the past as well, but video wise I'm only counting 39 Munros. And I'm still playing around with this new camera because it is so stable, it is a really good camera. I did meet a man on our way down that I had a really good conversation with, and he's bagging all the Munros, and every time he gets to the top of one he shouts, "I am awesome," and it is really nice speaking to people and seeing why they're doing Munros, and it is really good how kind and nice the Hillwalking community actually is. And if you do notice on the other side of the valley, there's a cool rock formation if you've ever missed it. As you can see from the bottles in my bag, but no, I am not sponsored by Lucozade, even though I wouldn't mind if they did offer me something. But yeah, Lucozades are so good for hill walking, and they always manage to get me through the walk. So we are now just coming to the end of the walk, and it had been a while since I had done a long walk, so my feet were particularly sore on this one. I did have blisters in the end, but I have heard of new blister-free socks on Amazon, I don't know how good they'll work, but I am going to try them, see if they help. So I finally got back to the car just under 7 hours, which is bang on what the Walk Highlands website says it'll take. Now let's get into some stats. The entire walk was 15 miles or 12 kilometres. Bynack More stands at a height of 1,090 metres, making it the 54th tallest munro in Scotland. And remember, if you do have a bike, definitely bring it on this one because it will save a lot of time and it will make the day much more enjoyable. If you have enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up because it does help out the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Because you made it to the end of the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future hill walking videos. I'll see you in the next one.